Okay, here we are again at Frankfurt's and Sons Body Shop, and we're looking at the 68, and we're gonna take a look at the details here. So, tell me again, this is the build primer?
Yeah, build primer. Block that out with the straight mixed by straight, and then we want to do the finish.
So I looked at the fenders and the hood and stuff, and you kind of block sanded in actually back down to some areas that are bare metal here.
Yeah.
So then you're going to put another
Finish primer.
primer on it, okay?
We'll give it like a shell to paint on it, so you don't get shrinkage and bunch of weird spots on this.
Would you guys put my little?
Yeah, we're gonna pop the wheels off.
You're going to take the wheels off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you covered on it.
Yeah, it's best to have a torque gun to take those fuckers off. Yeah, this is it's a Ride Tech 4-bar triangulated rear on the back. And when I first built it, they said it's just bolted. But after about a day, I shook the hell out of it. I had to weld it all in. So there's so much torque on this thing. You know, there's 700 horsepower and there's an equal amount of torque. So it's a really interesting deal when you lose traction because you can't tell. It doesn't make any squealing noise. You just see a bunch of smoke. Okay, so we got the rear. Did you get the glass? All the glass is out, and okay, so we're gonna get some paint on it this week.
Paint? Probably not this week. Probably closer to next week.
Really?
End of next week.
Well, I thought we were gonna get something this week. That's okay.
We'll get the finish primer on there, and then we'll have to sand all that, and then rebag for paint.
Yeah. So we're gonna be changing the ECU, which mounts in here, and this is the block-off plate. So this is the Vintage Air block-off plate, which is going to replace the factory heater core and squirrel cage, our motor, and then the heater lines are going to go right through here. And we'll merge that into the firewall. So tell me the process of how you're going to go and do the stripes. So you do about, what, 7 coats or so?
So we'll paint it all black.
Right.
And then on the areas like the trunk and the hood and the cowl and all
Right.
the front end stuff, we'll scuff all that, lay out the stripes, paint the color on the stripes, and then we'll start the clear process, which we'll build up the clear where the paint line is, and then block that out, probably 3 or 4 coats of that, and then we'll do